Oh, hey there, welcome to the Ask the Expert. I'm your expert, Dan Danowski. I'm going to answer a heating and cooling question today. Today's question is a little more about the heating and air industry than specifically about heating and cooling, but I'm going to do it anyway for YouTube. So, hey, here's the question. Why can't I get an estimate over the phone? Oh, okay, so you probably call an HVAC guy and be like, hey, I need new air conditioners. You're like, hey, I'll come out and look at it. And you're like, hey, can I get an estimate over the phone? And he says, no. And you think, oh, this guy's a butthole. I got me one of them real good buttholes. Nope. Maybe you call IWIE and you're like, hey, I want to get a new air conditioner. Can you tell me how much it's going to cost to install? And we say no. You're like, oh, bunch of jerks. No, that's not how that works. Nobody's being mean to you. They can't give you an estimate because they have no idea what it's going to cost to install it. Installation costs vary depending basically on your property, right? Maybe you got a really easy installation. All it is a package unit, just needs to be set on a slab outside and connect some ductwork. They can do it in a couple hours, easy. Maybe you got some really weird installation with ductwork that crawls under the house and goes into a cistern and comes back out up in your attic, and then the air handling unit has to be helicoptered in and dropped. I don't know. People got weird houses, cost more. So yeah, that's why you can't get an estimate. Anybody that gives you an estimate over the phone for installation cost, be very, very, very wary, because they don't know what it is. They're just making up a number they think you like. And then when you get the bill, it's gonna be like, he said $500 and this is $5,000. You're gonna freak out. Okay, bye. Oh, hey, do you have questions about things people can't tell you, like estimation costs or lottery numbers? And just ask in the comments below. I can tell you the last ones. Okay, bye.